I just finished restoring this antique Karl Griesbaum singing birdcage. This one has the more uncommon octagon shaped cage. What I like about this piece is the originality of it. Those are the original feathers on the bird. I did not have to refeather this. Clearly I had to clean the bird, and I had to do a little touch-up as some of the feathers, were standing up straight. But the bird's original. The foliage, the berries, and the black forest mushroom are also original. I did restore the foliage, the berries, and the black mushroom. I did replace the cage flooring. The original cage flooring had faded, had soiled, and it just didn't look very sharp. And so I used new premium. Actually, I chose a suede fabric for this one. I just thought I liked the texture and the look of it. The cage is also all original and in very nice condition. Most importantly though, let's hear this play. I'm not a professional photographer, so excuse the motion. I'm going to start off with the pause feature. And then I'm going to move to continuous. Wait after that pause. So I went through the mechanism. Everything was cleaned, adjusted, and lubricated. Repaired the bellows. And as you can hear, the bird sings very nicely. The song is loud, clear, and it has the proper note oscillation. Well, we're approaching 3 minutes. Wanted to share this with you. It's always tough to do with just two hands. Take care.